Hey guys, how's it going? I'm back here with another video today, and I'm gonna be doing a 1718 Opee Chee blaster. I'm gonna be doing half of it this break, so 6 packs this break, 6 next break. And if you're wondering who's on the box, it's Line and Taves. So we'll be doing these packs, but first I'll do a little recap of my dad got an Upper Deck jumbo box and tin, and I'll show you what he got really quick. So he got this Louis Erickson jumbo. In the extra Parker's pack it came with, you got a Sebastian Aho rookie, Jesse Pugliarvi rookie, and where is it? And an Austin Matthews. So that was pretty cool. In the actual box, though, here's just a McDavid base, but you got UD portraits, Nathan McKinnon, Duclair portrait, Jamie Benn portrait, Sonny Milano rookie portrait, canvas of Dubnyk, canvas of Jones, Bobby Ryan canvas, Shining Stars of Grice, Shining Stars Palmieri, and the Young Guns he got Alan Quine, Nick Dowd, Steven Santini. Oh, I missed the Shining Stars of Kuznetsov. And then he got a Josh Morrissey Young Gun, which is pretty nice. And an Anthony Mantha Young Gun, which is nice. And then you got this jersey of Daniel Sedin. And the nicest would have been this William Nylander Young Gun. He got that and the Mantha in the same box. So that's pretty good. But without further ado, try not to make this a super long video, we'll get right into this. So first pack. This is my first time opening Opee Chee at all. Not at all, this year I mean. Haven't not opened any of this yet, so this is new for me. Here's the base. So we got John Gibson, Leon Draisaitl. Looks like we have a mini card of Eric Stahl mini, and it's just a regular version, not there's numbered back versions you can get. And we got a Henrik Lundqvist retro, and then Stefan Nazin, Marcus Kruger, Philip Deneau, that's cool, and Alex Wenberg. So next pack. Opee Chee is usually a pretty fun break. It's not like a high-end box at all. It's pretty low-end, but it's really fun to open anyway, nonetheless. So we got Joe Thornton, Calvin DeHaan, David Krejci, John Klingberg, and we got a league leader rainbow, Mark Borowiecki, for penalty minutes. He had 154 penalty minutes. And we got a season highlights, Marian Hossa. And we got Andrew Shaw and William Carey. So next pack. We have Jake Virtanen, Ryan Hartman, Andrew Kopp, and oh, that's cool. Jack of Hearts, Leon Draisaitl playing card. So that's actually really cool. And we got a Vladislav Kamyanev marquee rookie retro. So that's cool. Devin Dubnyk, Dustin Byfuglien, and Cody Ceci. Next pack. So we're about halfway done. We got 2 more after this one. We got Devontae Smith-Pelly, Pekka Rinne, Josh Morrissey, Paul Martin. Now we got a marquee rookie of Colin White So that's pretty cool. Then we got Ryan Miller, P.A. Parento, and Brian Boyle in the Leafs. That's kind of cool. So second last pack here, guys. Looks like we have another mini, possibly. We got Matt Cullen, Andrew Cogliano, Sam Bennett. Oh, yes we do. And it's a black mini, so that's pretty cool. Black rainbow Mikko Rantanen, mini black, so that's pretty cool. And I missed this base, Jimmy Howard. And after that we have this Tyson Barrie retro and Seth Jones and a regular Tyson Barrie. So that was an Avalanche heavy pack. I had the black Rantanen and the Tyson Barrie retro. And this is the final pack, guys. So after this, make sure to go check out part 2. I'll do that probably tomorrow. So we got Calvin Pickard, who's now Golden Knight, Kevin Shattenkirk, Mikael Granlund, a team checklist of the Toronto Maple Leafs. And then we got Adam Lowry, OEL, Curtis McKenzie, and Colton Sissons. So quick recap. We got the Maple Leafs checklist, the Tyson Barrie retro, marquee rookie Colin White, the Vladislav Kamyanev rookie retro, the Leon Draisaitl Jack of Hearts playing card, the Marian Hossa season highlight, the Mark Borowiecki league leader rainbow, and the Henrik Lundqvist retro. And then the 2 mini cards we have are Eric Stahl and a Mikko Rantanen black. So thanks for watching, guys. That's our break for today, and stay tuned tomorrow. And yeah, I guess we'll see you guys next time.